Hi everybody, today we're going to do some DIY privet hedge trimming. You need a trimmer. You can rent those or buy one if you're going to do it on a regular basis. You also are going to need some of this. This is a trimmer blade cleaner and resin remover. When you go through and trim your hedge, you're going to get resin on the blade and it will clog the blade. So periodically you need to stop your work and spray the blade to keep it working well. It's important to wear safety equipment. You want glasses, a hat, long pants, closed-toed shoes. I also am wearing these because we're in a tick-prone area and you don't want to get ticks while you're doing this. When you actually trim your privet hedge, you want to follow the contour of your hedge. So you just want to sweep the blade this way and keep a good shape of the hedge. And then you're going to need to also manage your line. You don't want to, one thing that I've actually done is by accident I've just snipped the line. So you want to make sure you're keeping the cord out of the way. I'm going to do a quick demonstration for you. It's going to be a little bit loud, but bear with me.